Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What happens to your body when you drink coffee every day? Coffee is a familiar daily drink of the majority of the population. People often start the day with a cup of coffee to increase alertness. Your brew gives you benefits beyond an energy boost. Here are the top ways coffee can positively impact your health. Number 1. You're not as likely to suffer a stroke. For women, drinking at least 1 cup of coffee a day is associated with lowered stroke risk, which is the 4th leading cause of death in women. Number 2. You may decrease your risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. Almost 2/3 of Americans living with Alzheimer's disease are women. But the caffeine in 2 cups of coffee may provide significant protection against developing the condition. In fact, researchers found that women age 65 and older who drank 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day were less likely to develop dementia in general. Number 3. Your odds of getting colon cancer will go way down. 1 in 23 women develop colon cancer. But researchers found that coffee drinkers, decaf or regular, were 26% less likely to develop colorectal cancer. Number 4. Your DNA will be stronger. Dark roast coffee decreases breakage in DNA strands, which occur naturally but can lead to cancer or tumors if not repaired by your cells. Number 5. You could live longer. Recent studies found that coffee drinkers are less likely to die from some of the leading causes of death in women: coronary heart disease, stroke, diabetes and kidney disease. Number 6. Your body may process glucose better. That's the theory behind studies that found that people who drink more coffee are less likely to get type 2 diabetes. Number 7. You're less likely to develop heart failure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of coffee a day may help ward off heart failure when a weakened heart has difficulty pumping enough blood to the body. Number 8. You are less likely to develop Parkinson's disease. Caffeine is not only linked to a lower chance of developing Parkinson's disease, but it may also help those with the condition better control their movements. Number 9. Your liver will thank you. Both regular and decaf coffee seem to have a protective effect on your liver. Research shows that coffee drinkers are more likely to have liver enzyme levels within a healthy range than people who don't drink coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.